Alright, welcome to another video, another tennis point play video with my boy Sid today. It's been a while since Sid featured on this channel, and yeah, today, beautiful day, just went out and played some points. Right here we're doing something to warm up. We don't really have a name for it, but it's basically serve +1 and return +1. So the idea is that you play your first two shots and then that's it, because those are the most important shots in any point, rather than kind of going all out for every point. But you'll see here sometimes if the fifth shot and the sixth shot is just right there and it's a shot that we want to practice, then we just go for it as well. So there's 1, 2, my +1, which I hit long, so that's not very good. You gotta get those first two shots in. Shout out Craig O'Shaughnessy, I think that's his name. And that's it, so that's 2. So if you guys haven't tried this, give it a go. It's pretty fun, and then it's not as kind of intense as like, oh, I gotta win this point, gotta win this point. Just play the first 4 shots and then reset.
Oh!
So after this, we got into some tie breaks. So what we're doing today after warming up is just some first to 7 normal tie breaks, and we did a best of 5. So we'll be getting into that shortly in this video. If you want to skip to it, I think it's around 3 minutes, but I think it's already halfway there. So there was a nice 4-shot rally, 2, 3, and 4. And there's, so just play the 5th shot. But so I think I probably didn't warm up as good as I wanted to, honestly, in this session. I think the focus should really be just feeling the ball, getting good contact. Oh, that's a nice drop shot by Sid. And we have a couple more, and then we get into the tie break. And that one, it's like don't know what to do there actually. Maybe I should have done a counter drop shot, because that was just like, Sid had literally 90% of the court to hit into. That one I just thought I'd try and whack a inside out backhand, which is a very low percentage for me. Alright, so into the first tie break, here we go. Not a good enough return, quite short. Didn't manage to neutralize it because I hit it long, so that's not a great start. And then took a weird shot, I think, just weird footwork really to start this. My first serve, I think whenever I get into points, like yesterday I was practicing my serve. I think I must have made like 30 first serves in a row, and it's always like that, right? Get into a match, tightens up, and the percentage just goes way down. So sure I'm not alone in that. Sheesh, man. So Sid's just starting off hitting sharp. Really, one of the only guys that I play with that uses a Eastern grip, and I feel like you can really tell in the trajectory of the shots. Kind of less loopy, less topspin, but very sharp. I mean, that's a good rally. I think, again, after I did that little forehand slice push thing, I needed to position myself better for the next shot. 2-5, I'm in a tough spot right now, and I'm just trying to play each point. Pretty happy with that return. Oh yeah, there's the counter drop shot. Oh, so both Sid and I have been trying to work on our backhand down the lines, and there he managed to pull out a sick winner. Because I think it'll open up. It just, I mean, there I hit one, but it's, yeah, that was just a kind of rally ball. I just think it'll open up my game so much if I can change direction on both wings and just hit quality shots. Work in progress, work in progress. And there Sid just slowly pushes me back until I gave him these crappy short balls. And then he was able to just put me away with that little nice drop shot / short slice into the second, not set, in the second tiebreak. Generally, I feel like my feet are looking kind of a little bit slow. I think I need to be lighter on my feet. That was a pretty good defensive backhand. Oh, good lob. That was a great point. Oh, that's a great point. That's probably my favorite point of the day, honestly. Like, that shot is so tough, man. It's like so sharp. Oh, and then he just wrong-footed me. Hit that sick winner. Chip and charge. Let's go. Oh, Sid being gracious, giving me a couple of free points there, even though I don't feel like I'm kind of playing particularly well. One thing Sid did point out is that I actually foot fault quite a bit. It's nothing like egregious. I don't think it gives me any benefit, but it does mean my front foot does like step on the line quite a bit, because I don't even notice it, but it's when I toss, I take. Oh, there you go. There's my backhand down the line. So paid him back. So I think I should be slightly more disciplined in my in my feet when I'm serving. See that little step I do when I step? Oh. Oh my gosh, so that, oh, I had that slice down the tee, perfect, pretty much exactly where I wanted, had the short ball, and I just shanked it out. And there Sid, just going for that backhand on the line again, and he pushed that one long, so I managed to take that second tie break, 7-2, and to the third one. I hate missing returns and giving free points that way. It's just something I really don't like doing. Pretty happy with that 1-2, but Sid just handles it with extreme ease. And that one I was so off balance, so I think I kind of took Sid off guard a little bit, just because it didn't look like I could really hit that cross court.
Oh!
Yeah, we're just kind of chaining a couple of unforced errors in a row between the two of us, actually. Not a very pretty tiebreak so far. Such a good return by Sid there. Oh! Let's go. So, probably between the last couple of videos and this one, that's one of the things that I've been working on adding to my bag, so to speak. That's probably more of a basketball term, but that backhand down the line, I think, will really open up a lot of angles for me. And here, like, I essentially shanked a drop shot, and then I don't know why I stayed at the baseline. It just made it so easy for Sid to hit that counter drop shot. And that's just too good by Sid. Oh, I tried to get it, but double bounce. I was trying to hit that wide slider all day, but just couldn't hit it today. Just a rally down the middle, and I don't know why it's like that's such a bad habit. We just had a nice neutral rally, and I just did this crappy forehand slice, which brought Sid to the net. And he's the wrong guy to bring up to hit an aggressive shot, because he hits those at a very good percentage. So there it is again, that backhand on the line. It is showing up today, and lost that third tiebreak 7-5. As I mentioned, it was a best of 5, and I'm going to split it up into 2 videos actually. So stay tuned for the next one to see if I manage to force it to 5 tiebreaks. And yeah. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Drop a comment. Catch you in the next video.